Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this Chevy Tahoe key fob here. It works for this model 2003, 2006, and you don't need any fancy tools. You just need only one battery like this 2032, and you can find this battery everywhere, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is right here at the bottom of the fob. Right here you see this small hole, this hole. And when you turn the fob like this, take the small flat screwdriver, insert the tip right here in this hole, and when you insert it, just twist it a little bit, and after that this will crack open. And the whole idea here is just to separate this fob into two pieces, and do it carefully to not break the plastic. And now when you separate the fob into two pieces, right after that on this side you see your old dead battery. Now to remove the battery, again it's very easy, just take your small flat screwdriver, insert the tip here, and just push the battery outside. And now when you remove the battery, here in the same place just insert your new battery like this, and also make sure it's with the positive side facing up. This step here is very important. And now when you place your new battery over here, just take these two pieces again. Now hold them and make sure you align all corners here to match perfectly, and just snap them together. And when you snap them together like this, right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that. It will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful, and take care.